Hello, this is Amy Lee, the Productive Mama, and the other day I sort of had a late change in my menu plans and decided to try to cook an entire chicken, potatoes, veggies meal in the VitaClay stock pot. So there was no one else home, so I'm going to show you what I recorded with one hand while trying to cook. It's a little shaky, it's not the best, but I just wanted to show you the versatility of the stock pot. If, say, you have a bigger family and you feel like that would serve you better, or you're just not really sure whether stock pot versus the multi-cooker, this will give you an idea of how you can make an entire dinner in the stock pot. So let's get started. The very first thing I did was put potatoes at the bottom of the stock pot and then add about 2 cups of water. Next, I chose the seasoning blend I wanted, and I rubbed salt and the seasoning blend onto the skin, under the skin, and all around the bird. Searing the bird over the stovetop isn't necessary, but adds a nice color and texture. Then I put the chicken in the stock pot right over the potatoes. And for the stock pot, I set it on steam or fast for 2 hours to cook. I'm just making sure there's plenty of liquid at the bottom of the pot here. I fried up some green beans with garlic on the stovetop, and then when there was about a half hour left, I put it in and around the chicken to finish cooking by steaming. It's a little bit of work to remove the chicken from the pot because it is so tender and falls off the bone, but then you get to serve it up. I actually took the chicken, potatoes, and beans and put them in an unheated pot, and they kept warm for quite a while. And of course, if I make a chicken, then I make some chicken broth. I usually have some vegetable pieces, ends, leftovers, frozen. In my freezer, I add those, some cider vinegar, fill it up with water, and cook it for a few hours so that I have some delicious broth to add to my future soups and other cooking. So there you go, an entire chicken dinner in the VitaClay stock pot. Easy, delicious, healthy. I hope that showed you some of the versatility of the stock pot and another way that it might work for you and your family.